Hello, Mr. Mduzi here. I'm a personal transformation life coach and motivational speaker. Today, I just want to touch a topic on how you can change your life from where you are to become a successful person. I know it's hard to believe that you can change your life when you're living in a life of scarcity and life of poverty. But believe me, it's possible that you can change your life. It's possible. According to research, all successful people, men and women, they're dreamers. They dream about how their future life would look like. They idolize it in all aspects of life. Then day by day, they work toward achieving that future vision. So where can you start to change your life? You can start to change your life by changing the belief system of what you believe about yourself. Start believing that you are enough to achieve your heart desire. Then you start to believe in a life in the universe that has got enough resources for everyone. The resources for the universe is inexhaustible. From there, you start to imagine what kind of life you want to have or you want to achieve. Then you set up goals according to your heart desire. Thank you for watching. If you don't know how to set up goals, you want to change your life, you can contact me.